Hi guys, it's Ricky. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I diffuse and style my naturally curly hair. Like many of you, I have struggled for a long time with my curls. I have hated them. I have straightened it to high heaven to where the curl pattern was absolutely horrific and it wouldn't come back for a really long time. And I finally have my hair back to it like almost 100% health, and I finally found a routine that works for me. And I thought, if there are anybody else out there that is struggling to find a routine that works for them, maybe this would help inspire you to try some new things, because who doesn't want to try new things with their hair sometimes? So if you want to see how I diffuse and style my naturally curly hair, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, my name is Ricky. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to style your naturally curly hair. Now, this process will be different for everyone. It all depends on your curl type, your hair texture, how much damage you have, all of the above. And now, in the shower, it really makes a difference what you use on your hair. And I will put links in the description box down below of everything that I use and the order in which I use it. So what I will do is I will clump my curls a little bit in the shower, and I do not separate them when I rinse it. The really big thing with curly hair is not to overdo it. Don't overstimulate the curls. Don't rub everything together really hard, because that is going to create not only damage to the cuticle, but it is also going to create a lot more frizz, which, as we all know, is a big no-no for us. So that is one thing that I really want you guys to keep in mind when we are going through this tutorial. This is the Maria Nila True Soft Shampoo. This is really good for curly hair, or anyone that has frizz, or anyone that just needs their hair to be a little bit softer, and you might have color treated hair, and this is also good for that too. So then what we are going to do is, once you are out of the shower, you are going to put your hair inside of a microfiber cloth. If you do not have a microfiber towel or a cloth or what have you, you really need to get one if you have curly hair, or if you have an issue with frizz in general, because this is going to help absorb a lot more water, but also keep your hair nice and damp so that you have time to style it. So the first product that I'm going to use, mine was tipped upside down, but this is Olaplex number 6. This is a bond smoother. So what this does is, it literally says on here, leave-in reparative styling cream. Reduce frizz for up to 72 hours, which is great, because being a curly haired girl, I do not wash my hair every single day. It's not good for your hair. It's really not good for your skin. I only wash my hair generally, depending on how I style it, once every 3 to 5 days. It really depends on that and like how hard I work out and all that kind of stuff. So we are going to go in with this first. So let me show you what is underneath this towel here. So as you can see, I just wrap it up, and I am super gentle. So you can already see how I clump my hair together a little bit. And what I mean by that is, any hair that sticks together, I just reinforce it, whether that be with a twirling, twisting method, or I will just go in and scrunch it like this a little bit as well. So we're going to go in with the Olaplex number 6 first. Now, the one thing I really want to stress with this product is a little bit goes a very long way. You can easily use too much of this, and then you're just kind of wasting product. So you want to get it nice and through your hands. And I just, again, everything that I apply pretty much goes in like a scrunching kind of method to really reinforce that curl, so that everything is nice and strong. Because we all have those little pieces like right underneath here, or it could be on the top, you know, wherever yours is, depending on damage and all that kind of stuff, that don't curl, or they don't like to curl as much, or whatever. So this is a really good way to reinforce the structure of the curl, and you can already see that it will start to form on its own very nicely. So the next thing I'm going to use, this is also Maria Nila. These are the products that I use in my salon, and I really like them. I love the performance of them. This is called the Curlicue Cream. That is like the hardest thing ever to say though. So this is the Curlicue Cream. Sorry, my lights are like totally. So when it comes out, this is, and I just use my 2 fingers, and this is about the amount of product that I would use. So I just put that in the palm of my hands, and I will just manipulate this a little bit into the hair, and it's very clear. It's very, very smooth. It is so, so smooth. This will help give moisture, but also a little bit of hold. So depending on your curl type, you might need more moisture as far as water goes, or you might need more moisture as far as like oils and things like that go. It really depends on you. It depends on your curl. It also depends on how you're going to style it. There's a lot of different variables for curly hair because there's just, sorry, my little blonde pieces are like totally flying away. So really having good products and a good routine, and honestly, it can sometimes when you're going through like really, really damaged hair and then you want to bring that curl back, it can be a very laborious process. However, once you get it down, it is the most beautiful thing ever for me, because then it takes you. You guys drop a comment down below if you would like a curl assessment, if you want to see what your curl type is, different products, you know, maybe you need something different than the True Soft for a shampoo. Maybe you have a lot finer hair than I do, or maybe your hair is shorter and you want a lot more lift. You know, it just depends on what you want. You know, what's your goals for 2020? You know, it just depends on what your goals are. Now, this product that I'm using right here, this is really, really cool. I actually had a friend of mine recommend this to me, and she is also a curly haired babe, and her curl is pretty similar to mine. This is the Orange Marmalade, whatever, flaxseed and aloe curl definer. You guys, now I'm probably gonna get some questions. Why I am not, my hair just hit my wall. Why I am not flipping my head upside down. To be quite honest, video purposes. Normally I would flip my head upside down, but I also like to flip it back and forth like this, so that way my curl is still really loose and I'll be able to flip it and style it and tousle it and do all of those things. So now what you can do is you can absolutely air dry. That is going to be the easiest on your hair because it will allow it to naturally dry, no heat, none of that, and your curl will be really, really nice. Now, because I like a little bit bigger hair and because my hair is a little bit long, it does take it a long time to dry, and quite honestly, I like the diffused look. So I am going to diffuse my hair and I will be right back. Alright guys, so now we can see what the diffused look kind of gives us, the volume, the lift, it all comes from the root. And then what my final thing is that I do, you can do this with oil, you certainly don't have to. I don't have any oil right now, so I'm not going to, but what I will do is just go in through my scalp only, and I am going to just loosen up the root just a little bit. What this will do is also help give a little bit of volume. As you can see, I have a bunch of hair, and see, these didn't separate like this side did. I'm gonna leave that alone because if I try to separate it too much, then we get frizz. You can also flip your head over a little bit and loosen the root, and that will really give you a lot of lift at the top. Alright you guys, that concludes today's tutorial. I hope you maybe learned something or found a new tip or trick that you guys can utilize at home so that you can enjoy your curly hair, and also go out and make somebody smile today. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you guys get notified every time I upload. We are going to be doing all kinds of tips and tricks and tutorials. This channel is all about bringing simplicity to your life and empowering yourself and motivating and inspiring everyone to take some time for themselves every single day and really just live the life that you were meant to live. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all being here, and we will see you on the next video. Bye. No wonder this is so hard. Blah, blah, blah. What is this one piece of hair? I'm literally gonna chop you. What is this one thing? Like just bloop, like bloop, we're just hanging. Like, whoa.